Hi guys, I thought I'd do a quick video on these laundry tablets I've just received. They are from a company Smol or Schmol. I'll put the @ in the description. They are plastic free, cruelty free, and of course they are recyclable. And the great thing about these is that when you order them online, you basically choose how many washes you do roughly a week. So you just estimate, say like 3 or 4 washes a week. What they will then do is calculate how often they will send you these packages, you know, monthly. It could be monthly, or it could be, you know, a certain amount of days, 40 to 50 days, for example. So yeah, and they are great for mums as well, because as you can see, they have child lock. They're child friendly, I don't know. And the instructions are on the back, so how to unlock, all there. So yeah, I'm going to try these out, see how they go, because I haven't used these before, and let you know how it goes. So I've just washed a few things. Obviously I'm not going to show you my smalls, you know what I mean. And smells fresh, it's clean. Don't really know what else to tell you, to be honest. It does the job, and that's all you need. Obviously if you use fabric conditioner as well, that will enhance the smell of your washing, because I know people are like very particular about certain smells of how they want their washing and stuff. So but yeah, that's all I have to say really.